Today we're going to take a quick look at how to apply chip guard. The first thing you want to do is lay a straight piece of tape along the rocker and then paper it. And this is Autobody refinishing paper. Next thing you want to do is wipe it down with some wax and grease remover. And I just have some in a spray bottle. And just wipe it and make sure it's real clean. Next, you'll sand it with 400 or use a scuff pad like this. And I cut them up into small little sections so they last longer. Seems like I get more use. After sanding, we'll blow it clean and wipe it down one more time. Today we'll be using SEM heavy textured chip guard. After shaking the can real well, we'll put 2 to 3 coats on. This product is not clear, it's opaque, which is sort of a milky color. But it can be top coated after 30 minutes, so we'll hit it with a coat of base and a couple coats of clear. And now for the clear coat. And this will be the second coat of clear. After about an hour, you can pull the tape. Just make sure you pull the tape away from the fresh paint. I hope you enjoyed this video on applying SEM chip guard. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.